All right, we're outside the world's infamous Cecil Hotel, home to the Night Stalker Richard Ramirez.
In 1985, it was the choice hideout for serial killer Richard Ramirez, convicted of killing at least 13 people throughout Los Angeles. Ramirez reportedly lived at the hotel for months.
Home to a bunch of serial killers, bad guys, bunch of deaths.
An Austrian serial killer also found comfort at the Cecil. Jack Underweger may have even killed some of his prostitute victims there. It's even rumored that the actress known as Black Dahlia hung out in the hotel before her brutal murder in 1947.
Let's get that drone in the air and check it out.
The Cecil attracts mostly low-income residents. In the 50s and 60s, it was known as a place where those at the end of their rope would end their life.
This is a strange one. The body of a missing Canadian tourist has been found in this water tank.
The woman inside the tank, 21-year-old Elisa Lam.
That's a very sad and also grisly set of circumstances here, and especially the way the body was found.
In Los Angeles, police are struggling to figure out how the body of a Canadian tourist ended up in the water tower of a Skid Row hotel. Now, these are the final haunting images we have of Elisa Lam.
Canadian tourist Elisa Lam chose the hotel despite its seedy past. Her body may have been there for weeks. The 21-year-old's death, just the latest mystery for a hotel with a haunted past.